In this video, I will show you how to add email subscription button on Blogger website. So first of all, go to your Blogger dashboard, and then click on Layout. Now go to right sidebar Layout. Over there you can find option like Add a Gadget. Now scroll down, and find the option like Follow by Email. Now make sure you tick mark on Show Follow by Email. Change the title if you want. This is our FeedBurner link for our Blogger website. This email subscription service provided by FeedBurner, and FeedBurner run by Google. This is totally free email subscription services. You can use for your Blogger website, or any website for free. Click on Save. Now, we successfully add email subscription button on our Blogger website. If you want to check how many people subscribe to your blog, or if you want to export email list of your subscriber, then go to feedburner.google.com. Once you are on FeedBurner account, click on the blog where you want to check the email subscription. Click on Publicize. Now click on Email Subscriptions. Scroll down. This is our total subscribers. Click here to view subscriber details. If you want to export your subscriber email lists, then simply click here. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, then please like and share this video.